Next portion is Java libraries in JDK 1.3 or Java packages. JDK means Java Development Kit. It comes with a collection of tools that are used for developing and running Java programs. It is a collection of tools that are used for developing and running Java programs. Java is a collection of classes, you know. All the classes contains different functions. All Java classes contains different functions. For performing these classes and functions, we need to include some packages. For performing these classes and functions, we need to include some packages. These packages are known as Java packages. And the process of including a package using the keyword import. Import is the keyword used for importing a package in a Java program. The process of importing a package is import java.io.star. This is an example for importing a package. Import java.io.star and import java.util.star. IO and util are packages are to be exposed for utilization in the program. And then this star sign represent all the classes of each packages. The star sign represent all the classes of each packages applied. Some important packages are, first one, java.lang. Java.lang package support classes contains string, characters, mathematical functions, integer, etc. Next one, java.io. The java.io package supports input-output statement. Java.io package support input-output statements. And then java.applet, applet. It supports classes for web browsers, or it supports classes specifying applet environment. And then java.awt. Java.awt supporting graphical related programs. It supports graphical related programs. The AWT means Abstract Window Toolkit. And then java.netnet. It supports network related operations. It supports network related operator. The next one, java.txt. It supports text elements like date, time, currency, etc. And the next one, java.maths. It supports the mathematical functions like square root, power, etc. Next portion is different types of Java. Next portion is different types of Java. The different Java program is divided into two: standalone Java program and applet. Standalone Java program and applet programming. The standalone Java programming means it is the normal Java application for desktop programming. Standalone means it is the normal Java application for desktop programming. No need of networking. Application is needed only on a single system. It is used to create and manipulate local files. It is the software that can work offline. The standalone Java program means it is the normal Java application. It works in offline. And the next one, applet. Applet is an internet application. Applet is internet application. An applet is a program written in Java programming language that can be included in an HTML page. That is, web-based Java application is known as applet. A Java applet can appear in a frame of web page. It is the Java program for web pages. Applet is the Java program for web pages. An applet is a Java program that runs in web browser. And difference between Java standalone Java program and applet is standalone Java program works in offline and applet programming is work for a web page. Next one, reserved words. Java reserved words. Reserved words are the special words. Reserved words are the special words that carry special meaning for the system compiler. These words cannot be used for variable names. Java reserved words are the special words. It carries special meaning for the system compiler. For example, void, public, break, class, throws, while, etc.